Hey, thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. For all my paper doll fans out there, I have a very exciting announcement today. In the last video, I showed this paper doll for a blooming flower paper doll named Sunflower Suzette, and I did an art journal page and I showed Sunflower Suzette. Guess what, my friends? Sunflower Suzette now has friends. Aren't they adorable? So let me show you each one. This is Lily Lovelace. Isn't she cute? Lily Lovelace. I put the ladybug up in her hair. I stitched across her little bodice here with some embroidery floss and a needle. I added a jeweled brad. I put some tulle behind her. The decorations are up to you. They're not included. It is a digital download file where you get the kit to cut out and create Lily Lovelace. She will be offered individually, so if you want to just purchase Lily Lovelace, if that's your favorite out of the 5, then you can just purchase her by herself and create her and have fun with her. Or if you want to purchase a bundle deal, I'm offering a bundle deal today where you buy 4 and get 1 for free. So just like Sunflower Suzette, they all fold up like this, and then each one blooms. So when it blooms, it reveals the doll. It creates a dress at the bottom for her, creates her to have a dress. Each of them have movable heads, so their heads move. And this is Lily Lovelace. Next one is Poppy Penelope. Isn't she cute? If you love poppies, you will love this. My mom's favorite are poppies, so I had to do a poppy doll just for her. And this is Poppy Penelope. And again, I used a jewel brad to connect the bottom pieces. You could use any kind of brad, and it's up to you to decorate them and add embellishments and make it your own. So this is what Poppy Penelope looks like when her flower pot is closed. And then this is what she looks like with her skirt all fanned out and down. And that's Poppy Penelope. The next one is Pansy Prim. She's got kind of an attitude. Look at her cute face, but she looks like she's got attitude. I love her little side ponytail and the beautiful pansy petals. Again, I've decorated this with some glitter Nuvo drops in her little gem. I put a gem brad to connect the pieces. So you could do it any way you'd like. And when it folds up, this is the pansy in the pot, and then the skirt gets created by folding down the petals and leaves, and her head turns. All of them have movable heads, and this is Pansy Prim. And the last one I have to show is Daisy Daphne. Here's Daisy Daphne with her cute movable head. And she has bows in her hair. The butterfly is an embellishment that I added to it, so that would not come with the kit. Again, it's up for you to embellish your doll any way you'd like. You could put real ribbons in her hair. I did put Nuvo drops on the little daisies that she's holding to make it dimensional. I did a little flower brad, so you could put any kind of brad in there. So you just use your creativity and your art supplies to make them your own. But this is Daisy Daphne. So here are all 5 of these lovelies. I hope you like them. I had such a good time creating them. They're all hand drawn, hand inked, and hand colored. So my designs are not digital files. They're all just artwork that I've created using a pencil and a pen, and then I color them for you and put them into kits. I try them out, test them out, make sure they work just right before I list them. and now they're ready to find their homes in your hearts. So I hope you enjoy this and that you'll give this a try. And again, they're sold individually. If there's one specific one that you like, you can buy her, just her, and try her out. Or if you want all of them, then it's like buying 4 and getting 1 free. So I hope you check it out. There will be a link in the description box below for the bundle deal, and then each one individually. So thanks again for stopping by, and I hope you make some art and a paper doll today, because art soothes the heart.